fancy wig right here. So although the finishing, I didn't cover the finishing of this tutorial, but you kind of get to understand everything I did. So I was actually, I sell this particular hair here, so I'm just going to put it over my head. I'm gonna fit it in well. And this is actually a 2x6 hair. A 2x6 hair. So guys, this is the hair. So you tell me what you think about this hair. It's really a very lovely, simple hairstyle. And in case you want to buy this hair, it's going for only 20,000 naira. Very, very affordable. But if you want to learn how I made it, how I made the wig, just go ahead and watch. You see the cap I used and everything. So it's actually a 2x6 wig. You can see that it's 2x6, and it's, so I'm just going to remove it and show you guys what the inside looks like. You can see I used the bond method. So if you want a 2x6 cap with this dome cap, you let me know. You just place the order by dialing that number right there. So have a nice time, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye. This is the bundle I'm using for this hair. It's bone straight, it doesn't ever curl. I love the hair, although it's human hair fiber. And that's the net I'm using. This net is exactly my skin color. As you can see, it's a Swiss lace net and it's transparent as well. So I went ahead to make it into a closure, a 2x6 closure, and that's the finished look. And now let's get into the wigging. Okay, at this point that's the cap I'm using, the dome cap. And although I tried to get one without the lace in front of you, but I couldn't, so I had to work with what I had. And from the video you can see I placed the closure a little bit forward, you know, in front of the dome cap, and that's for a reason, because I wouldn't want that the dome, that's the cap itself, to be showing, you know. Maybe it shouldn't be on the same line, in the same line with the closure. So that was the reason why I placed the closure a little bit you know, forward. Okay, so I went ahead to pin it down. I stretched it before pinning down, so the closure would lay completely flat on the dome cap. Okay, so now I'm using a C-pin. This C-pin is available for sale. It comes with the T-pins, and they are both going for 1,000 naira. So at this point I'm just sewing it down. I'm sewing it down, securing the closure to the dome cap. And yes, we make closures, we make frontals, we make 360s, we make full lace wigs and all that. And I'm based in Anambra State, for those that may want to know. Yes, and if I to send to you, maybe you're in Lagos, it costs about 1,500 naira. But at the moment we're not taking orders. Okay, we're not taking orders at the moment, till let's say in a month's time. Then you can contact us and see if we could book you. Okay, so that's it. I'm almost rounding up, securing this thing down. Okay, and you can see how clean it's looking. So if you guys want to see more video tutorials on how to make wigs and all that, do let me know in the comment section. And at this point we are done, and I'm brushing it out. You guys can see, even without cutting out the lace underneath, everything is set, everything is looking clean and well placed. Now I'm cutting off the net, that's the dome cap, the cap, that part underneath the net, just to expose the closure. Okay, and you guys can see what it's looking like right now. Everything is still looking you know, scattered, nothing is well arranged yet, but you see the finished look. Now I'm placing my markings. I'm using a white chalk, a simple white chalk, to do this. and the distance is just about 2 fingers apart. Okay, although towards the end I still had a lot of tracks, as in a lot of bundles to work with, so I had to divide those distance, like I made it into single fingers apart, just to ensure that I use the entire bundle. I don't know if I'm making any sense. So for this tutorial I'm using the bond method. I love to use this method when I don't have enough strength for the machine method or the hand sewing method. Okay, so and I made a mistake in this part because I was supposed to place a plastic bag, that's a nylon, on top of the canvas head before bonding. It skipped my mind, I just kind of forgot, and at the end I was left with these things on my canvas head, and I wished I had done things the other way. So at this point, one of my workers, my PA, she really had to come in to help me. Okay, and that is it, and we're almost done, guys. This is very easy. I don't think I need to explain so much. I don't need to talk too much. This is self-explanatory. There is nothing special. I'm using Nova spray and Lanel. I use Nova spray hairspray and then Lanel hair bond. I feel the Lanel is better than Excel. I think it stays longer, like it's stronger. The bond is stronger than the Excel bond. Okay, so that is it. And yeah, I don't have those for sale, the Nova spray and the bond. I feel it's something you can easily get from the market. I don't sell things that are common in the market, things as this. I don't sell them because I believe you can just walk into the market and get them. But for the Swiss lace net, I sell the dome cap. You can also get that from the market. Everything ventilating items I sell, because these things I import them from China. And there we have it. The wig is ready, guys. Oh my god, are you guys feeling this wig? Everything was well done, man. This 2x6 closure is giving me goose pimples, like at the end I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So there you have it. You can see the hair, no matter how much you shake it, everything is still intact. It doesn't tangle. The hair is really beautiful. So if you want to order it, you let me know. Call the number or you WhatsApp the number on the screen. And there we are done. I really regretted not posting the part where I slicked down everything. I really regretted that part, seriously. But the items I used, the products I used castor oil. I used just a little bit, please, although the hair is sleek on its own. So I used a little bit of castor oil. I used hair mousse. I used organic and I used organic hair wax, and then my blow dryer. I didn't use flat iron whatsoever. So but I think the castor oil applied a little bit too much and it made the hair look too wet. But anyway, if you like this video, please, if you want to see more of this video, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, please. If you really like, if you really enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Bye.